Hi everyone! Thank you very much for being here. Today, let's learn how to use Duolingo. This application is so easy to install in our cell phones. You only have to look for Duolingo in your App Store and then download it. Once you have downloaded, it's going to be installing and then it's going to be launching until you can open it. So later on, it's going to ask you for some of the information that is going to be needed and it's going to take your information. For example, what kind of language would you like to learn, like English, French, Italy, or any other? Then it's going to ask you your native language if you wanted to use it either in your native language or not. And then also how you found out Duolingo from your friends or in Google or any social media. Later on, it's going to ask you how much of the language you want to learn. For example, English, if you want it every week or once a week or twice a week. And then it's going to ask you about how you can are going to be learning or why you are going to be learning, like in your job or your studies. And also how is going to be your learning routine. So how long are you going to be learning? 3 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, or so on. And also it's going to tell you what to start from. So you're going to be studying like this. Once you have settled your information, so it's going to have you to the level that you wanted to. For example, in my case, I started from a level 4, and it's going to ask me some of these exercises now. For example,
My daughter plays a lot of sports.
and as you can see, I have my correct answer. Fred has only worked at his new job for a short clock, time, or desk. I choose time, and
I
it's
haven't
correct.
finished this lesson
I
yet.
haven't finished this lesson yet.
So I have to translate it. By moving on these words, I can write down or I can scramble the sentence and let's see if it's correct or not. Oh no, it's incorrect. So let's continue. I have never a good salad. Studied player or had. Yes, it
I've
is
already
had.
seen the garden.
I've already seen the garden.
I've already seen the garden.
Bruno is from Canada,
Bruno
but he
is
has
from
lived in
Canada,
Asia for
but he has
20
lived in
years.
Asia for
He
20
has studied
years.
both
He has
Japanese and
studied both
Chinese.
Japanese and Chinese.
I had to choose one of the options.
Anna
And
hasn't
it's
finished
correct.
her homework
Anna
yet.
hasn't finished her homework yet.
Anna
Anna
has int
has int
finished her
finished
home
her
yet.
home yet.
I
And
have
that's
always
correct.
wanted to go to
I have
Africa.
always wanted to go to Africa.
So I have to scramble. Yes, that's correct. Now I have to complete the sentence.
Ben is.
Ben is.
Has Luigi always lived in
Has
Italy?
Luigi always lived in Italy?
So I have to speak. Has Luigi always lived in Italy?
I have always loved you.
I have always loved you.
And then I have to translate it, and I have to scramble the words that are in the bottom. I have to complete the sentence. I have known Elisa
Met.
for a long time. We
Met.
She's already gone to work.
She's already gone to work.
She's already gone to work. Have to complete the sentence again.
Movie.
Movie.
Watch.
Watch.
I haven't finished this lesson
I
yet.
haven't finished this lesson yet.
I have to translate it again. That's correct. And it says that it's done. So this is how we're going to be using Duolingo. It's as easy as ABC. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video.